Okay, now I'm recording. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna get it? Elvis. Cheeky Elvis. Cheeky Elvis. Get him, Cheeky. Oh, Sunny's contender. Dad, you're so... Did Robbie give you that thing? Did he give that to you? I hope you didn't buy that.
What thing?
This Elvis chicken thing.
It's a what?
The Vegas chicken.
Oh yeah, Robbie is the one.
I know. I hope you didn't buy it. Look at this. This is good.
This is a Mexican
Look at him.
standoff.
Look at him pulling her. This is awesome.
Yeah.
He's strong as hell.
He's very strong.
I know. Look at, but she waited for him to pull it back. Who's gonna get Cheeky Elvis? Who's gonna get him? Somebody gonna win. Is it gonna be the leg or the neck? Look at her now. Boku or Sunshine? Yeah, Boku. Yeah, even on this video, Mom, like he's like 20 shades lighter than her, even on this. Look, oh, he got it. Good boy. Oh, she got it back. Interception. They're cute. She's gonna sleep for like 20 hours. You know this, right? Tomorrow. They're splitting it with the legs. Hey guys. Who got it? You guys tired? Oh, he Cheeky Elvis did. That's because he's